Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let me show you this super compact portable Bluetooth speaker that this brand sent to me for this video. This one, it's waterproof, IPX4 waterproof. So you can kind of like rest assured that if you are going outside, if you're taking this to a party, pool party, or just like out at the beach or something like that, it gets wet, or if you're going fishing, camping, hiking, gets wet, this one is gonna survive. Another thing that I like, it comes with the rubber pads at the bottom. So whenever you put it in a surface like this, it won't move. So that's kind of cool, I gotta say. And it also comes with all the buttons right here. So you can play, you can pause, you can fast forward, you can go back, you can go forward, you can set up the volume. And also you can make a call, for example, not make, but you can actually listen to this because it's plugged to, actually not plugged, it's connected to your phone via the Bluetooth. And it comes right here with the ports for the USB-C charging and a 3.5 jack audio port as well, just in case that you want to put, for example, a set of headphones or a microphone, or if you want to put like an external soundboard, something like that, you can use this one as a pass-through. But now what I'm going to do, also, by the way, it comes with really cool lights, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it too much, but it comes with really cool lights and it's super compact. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to play here a sound test that I have. I'm going to put my microphone over here so you can hear better. Let's do that now.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead. Just before gravity takes hold, scattering chaos to the four corners of the room.
Okay, pretty cool. I'm a little bit surprised on how loud this one is being this compact. So for music purposes, or just like entertaining people, or putting this as an external speaker and taking it with you everywhere, this could be a really good option. I like it. I do recommend this little guy.